Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So in Microsoft's quest to inject Copilot into every nook and cranny of the operating system, a recent update to the Copilot app for Windows has added a shortcut in the right-click context menu. Now, I received the update through the Microsoft Store on Friday. Now, if we just head over to a file and we right-click, you'll see Ask Copilot. So that's been added now to Edit with Clipchamp, Edit in Notepad, OneDrive, Edit with Paint, Photos, and so on. Now, Copilot is one of those features that you obviously like or you don't. And this could be viewed as a feature that nobody asked for, or it could be a very useful feature depending on kind of which side of the fence you sit with Copilot, because it's a nice handy shortcut to head over to Copilot by just clicking in the right-click context menu and then asking anything about that image or that file using artificial intelligence. So it could be handy, but for others, not so handy. Now, the right-click context menu, when Windows 11 rolled out, was once a kind of minimal, decluttered hub of shortcuts with regular actions. And as you can see over time now, that Microsoft is injecting a lot of entries into the right-click context menu that I think a lot of users, including myself, are finding unnecessary. I actually don't use any of these Ask Copilot, Edit with Clipchamp, Edit in Notepad, Edit with Paint at all. So, and there's no options to remove these. Now, if you are in the camp of not wanting the entry in your right-click context menu, because there is no actual setting to disable this, there is a workaround, but it requires being a little bit tech savvy, and you'll need to edit an entry in the Windows registry. So if you are comfortable to fiddle in the registry, what you would do is you would save the following as a text file using Notepad, and this is quite a mouthful, and I'll leave all the instructions down below in the description if you want to disable Copilot in that context menu. And then you would save, as mentioned, the following content, and then you would change the file extension from .txt to .reg. So as an example, if you named the text file Copilot, rename it to Copilot.reg instead of .txt. And then you would double click on the .reg file, confirm the action, and that will remove the shortcut from your context menu. And just take note that I would advise restarting your computer to maybe apply that change, but I'll leave all the instructions in the description if you'd like to give that a shot. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.